Alright guys, welcome once again. It's my Francis Edem here. So I want to show you today's daily Cipher so that you go ahead and claim your 1 million coins. So here you come to your end per tap session and tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Today's code is web 3. And web 3 you have for the W you have 1 short tap and 2 long taps. For the E you have 1 short tap. For the B you have 1 long tap and 3 short taps. Then for the 3, you have 3 short taps and 2 long taps. So we are going to do it together. For the W, you have 1 short tap and 2 long taps. 1 short tap, 2 long taps. Then for the E, you have 1 short tap. For the B, you have 1 long tap and 3 short taps. Then for the 3, you have 3 short taps and 2 long taps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So you take your price. Alright guys, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell when you subscribe. Kindly like this video to keep me motivated to be bringing you more updates like this. And if you are interested in joining my Telegram channel, the link is in the description section of this video. Take care of yourself, and until you hear from me again, make the rest of your life the best of your life. Bye.